Hi now friends, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to start this video off with just a little intro of me. I know you guys hear my voice and never see me, but I figured, well, today maybe I was feeling kind of good enough, put a little bit of makeup on, just still going through the grieving process over my son. But I just wanted to say hello and do a quick little haul. Well, it's not really little, but there's some really cool stuff that I have to share with you. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Hello, welcome back. So the first thing I have is just a couple little things I picked up from Kiara Sky. As always, their packaging is so adorable. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I got the lacquer, the Enchanted Forest lacquer, because I am dying to put these colors on my toes. So here is the Morning Dew. I just thought this was so pretty. I loved it as the powder, and I just had to have the lacquer. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Even to put on now, like it's snowy, it's just gorgeous. And then I love this pink. So this is Love Spell. So another lacquer. And I do have some family and friends that really prefer the lacquer over gel. It's just a personal preference. So I picked up those two, and I got, Kiara Sky has the refill packs now for the jelly tips. So I got the long coffin in sizes 3, 4, and 5, which is exactly what I needed. Honestly, I think that their jelly tips, hands down, are the best shape, just everything about them. They just seem, I've tried other jelly tips, and by far these are my favorite. I also got, this is the first time I ever got their sanding bands, so I got these in a size medium, and I love how they come in like a little case. So yeah, so these are adorable. So that is my Kiara Sky. I know it's like a tiny mini haul, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. Next up, we have Glitterbells. For this, I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know, maybe, okay, never mind guys. So I placed a little order with Glitterbells a couple weeks ago, and then this came in, and I got their newest Dappen Dish. Now I have, like I said, an obsession with Dappen Dishes, and I just thought this was the prettiest little thing. What I love about it is it has like a little filter in there. So it's supposed to be for like if you're working with glitter or whatever, but personally I think these holes are a little large, and I think the glitter is just gonna go through anyway. But another key thing I love about it is it has this little lid, and this is just so stinking cute. Now I do have the Lotus Flower Dappen Dish. Actually, yeah, I have another one, but it doesn't have a lid. But I just thought this was really cute. And then I also have their original Dappen Dish, which was sold out for the longest time, and it says Glitterbells on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. This is so pretty. Like, I don't know, I just have such a thing for Dappen Dishes. I love them. Does anybody else out there have like an obsession with Dappen Dishes? I know I do. It's just nice to have them around. And then the ones I don't use, I just put on display. So I picked up it's Peacherbel Soft Shimmer. I've always wanted this one. I never had this in my collection, but it's the Peacherbel. Look how pretty that is. It's got a shimmer to it. So pretty. Next up is, this is Candy Fizz. And like I said, guys, you can get these off of Nailthrone. That is the distributor for the States. I don't know if you can see that. That's really pretty. I have to swatch that. Then I have this is called SugarHoney. This is beautiful. I love how they have these little lids. Look at that. You can never have enough glitter in your life. God knows I need all the glitter I can get, but look how pretty that is. It's like a honey gold, and then it has different flecks of like rainbow in there, if that makes sense. It's really, really pretty. And last but not least, I got, oh wait, I think these are just little stars. This, what the heck is this? Rainbow stars. Rainbow stars. So pretty. Okay, so I wanted to do some live swatches. I'm using my Kiara Sky acrylic brush in the size 14. I love these brushes. So let's see how beautiful this is. Ooh. Oh my God, guys, this is gorgeous. Whoop. So my room is super, super cold. Look at that. This is stunning. I seriously, I haven't had a chance to do my nails. I've just been busy with my daughter, with the puppy, with my grieving process, and I just have not had a chance to do my own nails. But yo, like seriously, this is freaking gorgeous. And I think this would look gorgeous as a French. So I'm thinking about trying that. Anyway, look at that. I need to use, I have some of the shorter nails, but the longer nails just really, the swatch sticks I'm talking about, they just really show the beauty. That is so pretty. Oh, I so have to do my nails on this. I love it. My daughter's in the other room playing with her iPad, so if you hear that in the background, ooh. Look at that. Look at just, it's so soothing to do this. It's therapeutic. I say that all the time in my videos. It's like you're creating beauty. You know what I mean? And the formula, I'm actually using Glitterbells monomer as well. I had some, so I was like, oh, I'll just use that. I pretty much just use Kiara Sky and Not Polish monomer. And they work well with the brands that I've used so far. And actually so does Glitterbells, because I've used Glitterbells monomer with Kiara Sky powders. Move that over a little bit. Iridescent going on here. This is so freaking pretty. Love it. And another thing I wanted to share is I got this cute little box to hold my little bibs, the dental bibs that we all use. Look how cute. They fit in there perfectly. So I will leave the link below. Got it on Amazon and I just love it.